Torn Paper Effect Picsart. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, go to your website and finding a paper tier overlay. Then pick one overlay that you like so you can use it later in your edit. After that, open your Picsart and wait for it to load. Then log in or sign in to your Picsart account. After you log in, go to the Start with a Photo or Video option so you can begin a new project. Then select Background to make a blank canvas for the edit. After that, go and select the white color to make a blank white canvas that will serve as the base. Wait a second till the canvas loads completely so nothing glitches. Once the canvas is fully loaded, go and scroll the menu below until you see the Add Photo option. Pick two images that you want to use for the torn effect and import them. After you import your images, adjust the position based on your liking so they sit where you want them on the canvas. Then go to Add Photo again to import another file. This time, import your paper tier overlay that you picked earlier. After you import it, put the overlay between the two images that you want to make look torn apart so it sits right in the middle like a ripped paper line. Scroll until you see the shadow option and set the shadow position below the overlay to give it a bit more depth. Then select one image that sits on top of a layer so you can edit it. After selecting it, press the eraser on top to open the erasing tool. Use the eraser to erase the part of the image that needs to be separated between the torn part, brushing along the edge of the overlay so it blends with the tier. Keep erasing carefully until the image looks like it has been ripped and separated by the paper tier overlay. Once this is done, the torn paper effect will show clearly between the two images.